The Chinese meridian, the way I am using, I will teach you. As you know, complete Chinese meridian are flowing in the body. There are 10 organs, there are 10 meridians, there are 2 extraordinary organs, they also have the energy path. What are these meridians? These meridians are not a existence. They don't have any existence in the body. These are the imaginary lines on the path on which our cosmic energy is flowing. Cosmic energy always flow in a systematic manner. In Hindu mythology or Hindu Ayurveda, Indian Ayurveda, you must have heard the name of Vata, Pitta and Kapha. These also are the energies. But these energies can be balanced, can be toned up, can be sedated, can be balanced. So that Vat, Pitta, Kapha, I will also be discussing with you all people. So I will try to make you people understand to how this Vat, Pitta, Kapha, I correlated this Vat, Pitta, Kapha according to the time clock of the 24-hour clock. Because all the time our body has a different energy. Sometimes this body is having the Vata energy access, sometimes this body having the Kapha energy access, or sometimes this has the Pitta energy dominating the body. Just we have to study when our body is having the more Kapha, when our body is having the more Pitta, and what time this body is having the other energies, or the combination of these two, Vat and Pitta, Pitta and Kapha. There are also timings that I will share with you. There is a timing clock I have driven. When is Vat, when is Kapha, when is Kapha and Vat, like that. Now I am talking about the Chinese meridian. Chinese meridian, as you know, is the source of the energy in the body. When I am putting a needle on a particular point, in Chinese meridian you must have seen, every point has its own name. Some point has the river point, some point are sea point, some are the shoe point, some are the Leo connecting points, some are the transferring point, energy to one meridian to the other meridian. They have so many systems, but that system is very complicated and it required a long study. So that's why in foreign countries, US, Canada or other countries, you will find they have a complete medical college, 5-year education for the TCM doctors. They are getting the doctor degree in the acupuncture, they are getting the diploma in acupuncture, they are getting the masters in the acupuncture. Because it's a very complicated system, very systematic system. After studying lot of things in the TCM acupuncture, I have always tried to invent new things. I always try to make the things very easy. So that I am sitting in India, I can guide to a person who is sitting 1,000 kilometers away from me. Why it is so? Because the knowledge is such a thing by which we can serve anybody. I don't think the presence of the patient is required in my clinic. I want to avoid that. I also try to teach you people also कि how you can treat a patient sitting in your clinic. Yes, if there is a problem which is a sort of mechanical problem, I divide this complete disease, complete body system in three parts. One, disease is related with the energy system of the body. Second, there are some mechanical problems in the body. Suppose dislocation of the shoulder joint. It's a mechanical. By color therapy, you just reduce the pain. You can control the pain. But with the help of the color therapy, you cannot put the shoulder ball in his cage. Second, slip disc or any problem with the spinal cord. In 90% cases, I have seen that just by pressing the point in the Sijok correspondence, in the palm correspondence, I am able to treat complicated cases of spinal cord. In this case, presence of the patient is essential in my clinic. Cervical issues. In most of the cervical issues, treatment can be done with the help of the color therapy or just by pressing the point, which I will share with you people on every Saturday. We will be meeting every Saturday and have a 1.5 hour discussion, and this class will be 5 days class. 6th day we will be discussing whatever have we discussed, or any doubts you can clear it, and Sunday will be naturally off. Everybody will like to enjoy Sunday with their families. So I was talking about the TCM meridian. The TCM meridian I have studied, I have done experiments, and I got the result, amazing results, wonderful results. You know, every TCM meridians